Depression? Untrained for that. Violence? Unfortunately, getting used to it. But why is there champagne in the infirmary fridge? No. Monday morning, 7:59. Someone's hungover before I've even signed. Bottle on the table, glass on the floor. Someone says we only had a couple. I've heard that one before. I check a pulse, hand out some water. Give the same hydration speech but louder. You cannot replace your bloodstream with gin. They laugh like somehow they're gonna win. One comes in with a headache from hell. One says last night went extremely well. I don't need details, please, I'm begging you. Why does everybody tell the nurse what they do? I can handle tears, I can handle rage. I can sit beside somebody on their darkest day. I've seen broken walls, I've calmed down fights, but this place after midnight, I'm losing my mind. I can handle depression, I can handle violence, I can handle somebody screaming through an hour of silence. But alcohol and hookups everywhere I turn, that's the kind of workplace hazard they forgot to make me learn. Put your clothes back on, put the bottle down. Please stop making eye contact while I'm doing rounds. I'm medically prepared, emotionally aware, but whatever happens after parties, I do not want to be there. Not my chart, not my case. Not another bra in a public place. Not my room, not my bed. Please stop telling me what somebody said. Tuesday evening, somebody knocks, needs painkillers and refuses to talk. Then I notice lipstick halfway down their neck. Fine, I'm not asking professional respect. Downstairs, someone's drinking straight from the glass. Upstairs, two people suddenly need privacy fast. I turn around like I didn't see. Congratulations, adults, please stay away from me. And apparently everybody here has learned that flirting gets louder when alcohol's involved. 1 minute crying about being alone, next minute disappearing with somebody's phone. Then Wednesday morning comes around, everyone's acting normal somehow. I'm checking blood pressure, trying not to recall why somebody's shirt was hanging in the hall. Give me anger management, give me trauma care, give me somebody throwing furniture through the air. Give me sleepless nights, give me panic attacks. At least those problems have established medical facts. I can handle depression, I can handle violence, I can handle somebody screaming through an hour of silence. But alcohol and hookups everywhere I turn, that's the kind of workplace hazard they forgot to make me learn. Put your clothes back on, put the bottle down. Why someone barefoot on the conference room couch? Now I'm medically prepared, emotionally aware, but whatever happens after parties, I do not want to be there. Okay, new rules. If you're drunk, water. If you're hungover, more water. If you're flirting with me because you're drunk, even more water. If you need contraception, I can help professionally. If you want to tell me why you need it, no, absolutely not. I know enough about this company already. The funniest part is nobody seems ashamed. Breakfast comes and everybody acts the same. Coffee in hand, sunglasses indoors, like I didn't see 3 people crawling through doors. I'm not judging, really live your life, just maybe don't make it part of mine. There are things that company nerds should never know, and somehow I know all of those. So I filled out leave for another few days and stared at the form in 17 ways. I barely returned, was it too soon? Would they think I'd rather abandon the room? After all, I'd already taken some time, and technically everything was mostly fine. Maybe asking again would look pretty bad, so I almost put the vacation form back. Then the boss looked over like it wasn't strange, said take the days, you don't have to explain. You can take a break whenever you need, just don't disappear for half the year on me. Don't overdo it, don't take every week, but you're allowed to rest. That's not something you need to seek permission to feel guilty about. Oh, well, that was unexpectedly reasonable. I can handle depression, I can handle violence. Apparently I'm learning how to handle workplace nonsense. But alcohol and hookups, I'm still drawing that line. You can make your own decisions, just please make them outside mine. So I'm packing my bag, taking a few days out before another after party makes me turn the whole place down. I'll come back rested, I'll come back prepared, cause apparently my boss understands. A nurse also needs some care. Take some leave, take some sun, just don't take 6 months and call it one. Rest a bit, then return. Hopefully nothing catches fire while I'm gone. Vacation approved. Good. I'm turning my phone off. If somebody gets drunk and falls off a table, call an ambulance. I'm serious this time.